Hello, this is Dr. Eric Lund. In this video, I want to demonstrate an exercise that you can do to work the deep muscles of the abdomen and core to help relieve lower back pain. And that exercise is kind of one of the foundational exercises called pelvic tilt. It's kind of fundamental when we're talking about working the abdominals and the core. The other thing that this posterior pelvic tilt exercise does is a lot of times when we're sitting, our pelvis tips forward, which puts more strain on our lower back. So this can be a great exercise for anyone who has to do a lot of sitting for work to counteract the effects of sitting and what it does to our pelvis, and then the additional strain that it puts on the lower back. So for a pelvic tilt, you're going to lie down, and you're going to have your feet on the floor comfortably, and what you can do is you can arch your back, and then you can try to flatten your back against the table. So what we want to do is we want to flatten our back against the table, hold that. You will feel the abdominal wall engage and contract, and then we would hold that for about 5 seconds and then let it relax. And then again, you want to flatten your back against the floor, hold that for 5 seconds. Again, that is going to get that abdominal wall to contract and engage. You will feel that. In particular, what these pelvic tilts do is they really work a muscle that's called the transverse abdominis. So this is something that you can do each day, and you can maybe do 3 or 4 or 5 sets, holding it for 5 seconds. It's going to be a great exercise for your abs, your core, and then again, counteracting what happens to the pelvis when we sit a lot. And again, that's going to take strain off the lower back and help provide relief. So give it a try. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Eric Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor.